So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how a frozen food manufacturing company can manage its complete operation through Odoo 19. The company we will be using is Frostbite Foods, as I can select here, a frozen food manufacturer that produces and distributes frozen ready to cook products. The product that we will manufacture today is frozen veg momos of 500 gram. During this demonstration, I will show you how to configure a lot tracking, configure expiration date management, create vendors and customers, create products, configure a bill of materials, create manufacturing process, perform quality checks, manufacturing products, and deliver finished goods to the customers. And most importantly, I will show how Odoo delivers provides the complete traceability from raw material receipt all the way to the customer delivery. Let's begin. So for the inventory configuration, if we go to the inventory and we go to the configuration and then settings, we need to configure inventory traceability. Since this is a food business, traceability is extremely important. If a customer reports an issue with specific batch, the completely should be able to identify when it was produced, which raw materials were used, which supplier provided these materials, and which customer received that batch. To enable this capacity, I am opening inventory settings, and under this traceability action, I will enable the lots and serial number option. As here you can see, we will open this plot and traceability numbers, and we will also display the lots and serial numbers on delivery slips, and also we can display our expiration dates on our delivery slips. And then we will click save. Now the expiration date I clicked here was useful for frozen foods because products have limited shelf life. Now I save these settings. At this point the system is ready to manage lot controlled frozen food industry. Okay, now we'll open our vendor and our customer. Now if we open our contacts and now we click new, and we can provide the name, like we can name the vendor Arctic suppliers, and then we can provide their email, here their phone, street number, their location, their tax ID, website, everything. And we can add contacts also, not only one contact, one for the salesman, one for the invoice contact, one for delivery contact, and the other contact. Here we can click save now. Here as we can see, we have already created a vendor for you, that is Arctic Coal Supply LLP, and the main contact here is Rahul Sen. Let me remove contacts and go in the settings, the companies. Just will India. By installing this localization fiscal of India, every taxes and accounting modules used in India will be imported directly here. You have to do nothing manually. We just will click save here and then go back. Now as you can see, this is our vendor, and like this we also have created our customer, which is Ananda Das from the company City Fresh Retail, and here in the company names. Okay. Now, if we go to the inventory and create a product, as you can see, I have created already a product, that is frozen veg momos. Now, by clicking new, you can also create a new product like this, and then as you can see, the sales price is 100 and the cost is, let's suppose, 50. And the units are in, well, we can change right now, we can do it in unit. Now if we move to the inventory tab, here we can configure this, like this product you can only use for sales, the product type will be only goods because it's a storable product, service for the services you will provide, and the other combo for the goods and service combined products. For the invoicing policy, we will select the delivered quantity because we will only create invoices for the product that has been delivered already. Okay. Then the main thing, we will click the track inventory and we'll select by lots part. Then you can see here the quality in hand, sales price, cost. You can change your category to the finished goods. You can search, provide a reference number for easily identifying this product. Just imagine I will name this MM26. By this you will remember this. You don't have to write this whole product name. You will only search this MM26. You will get this product. Then an attributes variance. Then if we go to the inventory part, this is where the main thing happens. We will in traceability part, we will evaluate this product by lot and serials. We can provide a custom lot and serial number, like I have provided here, FG Momo, finished goods Momo, and then a serial number will be provided for your lots or your individual products like serial number. And then the expiration date, if you click, you will get this, the expiration date before, after the receipt, base before date, your removal date, and the alert that you will also get the alert for the expiration. We'll show this in the next module, next video. Okay. Also in the operation part, we have to select two things, like replenishment on order. Like by MTO we will decide, like if we get a order, then only we can make this. By that, this product will be fresh. And also we select the manufacturer part. Okay, this is how you can create the products. Now if we see the BOM of the product, it is created of 3 components. For right now, we'll also only consider refined wheat flour, mixed vegetable fillings, and sesame oil. For one packet, it will take 200 grams of refined flour, 250 grams of mixed vegetable fillings, and 200 ml of sesame oil. We have also included the operations, like the fill and seal. It will happen in the work center named packaging line 1, and the duration will be take 10 minutes. The BOM type will be the manufacturer these products, and the company is this. Okay, now we will show you the proper workflow of this. Like imagine, now if we go to the sales module, and imagine a company named your customer, which is City Fresh Retails, Ananya Das, who is your customer, needs a product of veg momos of 150 quantity. which will be of 15,000. Okay, then after confirming this product, it will be turned into a sales order, which is showing you that you can't deliver now. By the way, this red sign indicates that if you have this product in your inventory or not. If it's green, you have the product. If it's red, you don't have this product. So right now, as we can see, you don't have this stock in your inventory. Like if you go there and like if you see the quantity on hand is 0. Okay. Okay. And now we got okay, like as we are saying, this sales order like if we create a new customer, like our customer, if we sell this product to our customer City Fresh Retail and add our product which is frozen veg momos, and we do it 150. Like if you see, if it's one, you have this product in inventory, like 1 unit of 500 grams of momos you have in inventory. That is why it is showing green. Now if we change the quantity, it will still show you green because you have this in your inventory, right? This is, if this was shown red, that means you didn't have this much stock in your inventory. If we do it 500 or 1000, it is still showing inventory because it has the stock right now. Okay, now if we stick by 150, now we'll confirm this sales order, and now this is a sales order, and as you can see here, you don't have this product, right? Stock. So to make this, we have got 3 smart buttons: delivery, purchase and manufacturing. For manufacturing, you can't do anything because your product is not available, right? Delivery you can't do because your product is not available. So what we can do? Now we'll purchase the raw materials. The raw materials we have selected before in the BOM. You don't have to like only for this amount how much purchases you will be needed. This was automatic calculated here. You don't need any manual drama of taking records and keeping reports and misjudgments. Now if you just confirm the purchase order, it will be turned into a purchase order. You will receive it, you will check the qualities. For the check of qualities, you will go back like in your quality check team. This will be, they will have this module, they will see this. They have gotten 4 to 5, firstly 3 quality check notification, and they will click in this. They will click pass, they will click pass, or they can click fail also, but right now we are clicking only pass. Then we'll go back and sales. Now we'll go back to the sales, and now we'll deliver. As you can see, we'll validate the product and it will be reached to the destination from our stock. So this was the whole workflow of the product. Now if you want to track the product, you will go to the inventory, products here, and then our lot and serial numbers. As you can see, to customers I have sent 3 lot of products. So here is scene 3. This was today's 3 June of 10:17 p.m. Okay, this was our product. So here we can see the expiration date, the alert date, the best before date, the removal date, everything. This is how you can track. You can go traceability from here. You can check the sales order from here. You can check the by which thing it got transferred, the quality check data, everything will be centralized in one ERP. This is how your business can have every type of data in one centralized, so that you can analyze it and grow, make your business grow. Now quickly summarize what we accomplished. We configured lot tracking, we enabled expiration date management, we created suppliers and customers, we created a frozen food product, we configured a bill of materials, we created manufacturing operations and show you the work centers, we implemented the quality, and we manufactured 150 units. And finally, we delivered those products to the customer. More importantly, every step was fully traceable through a single lot number. This is one the key advantage of using Odoo 19 for your frozen food manufacturing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.